Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing any case, screen protector, an SIM or SD card so you can inspect the edge gaps. This reveals pressure points and dirt that mimic ghost touches. Next, boot into safe mode or the recovery menu to determine if the issue is software or hardware. Once you see whether touches still occur in safe mode, make sure to note which screen areas are affected and whether the problem began after a drop, liquid exposure, or an update. Those clues tell you why. You'll open the device using plastic pry tools while grounded to avoid static damage, and then remove the back panel to access the display flex cable. Carefully disconnect the display and battery connectors, then clean both mating surfaces with high-purity isopropyl alcohol. This removes corrosion and oils that cause erratic touch. Once dry, reseat the flex cable firmly and secure any shielding plates. This restores reliable contact. Make sure to test with the battery reconnected, but before you now reassemble the device, ensuring the display sits flat without edge tension and that screws and clamps are snug but not over-torqued. Stress on the glass creates recurring issues. Power on and run a touch calibration or diagnostics app and only perform a factory reset if software was suspected. Backup data first. If ghosting persists after these steps, replace the digitizer or display assembly. If replacement isn't feasible, one troubleshooting tip: test with a new battery and docked supply, since unstable power can mimic touch faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.